What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we are doing a quick unboxing of the Aero Precision M5 lower receiver. So this will be a pretty short video here because there's not a whole lot to it, but in case you're looking at picking one of these up and want to know what exactly comes with it, I'm gonna just be showing you that here today. So let's go ahead and get this guy unboxed. I'm gonna open it up here. And the one thing to note, this did come in a plastic wrap, but I took that off at the gun shop because they did have to check the serial number on it. So it will be wrapped. But other than that, you can see here is our actual lower receiver that you will receive in the packaging. And then also, our precious sticker. You do get a sticker with this, which is great to see as well. So that's it as far as what comes with it. Again, it's just the lower receiver, the wrapping around the lower receiver, which I got rid of, and then also the sticker here. But I do want to give you a quick close-up of the actual receiver in itself so that way you know what to expect. This is I believe it's the DPMS cut here, so it'll accept any DPMS parts versus the Armalite, it doesn't accept any of those parts. The other big thing with this though is this guy right here. So one of the awesome things Aero Precision does on their lowers for both the M5 and the M4 is they give you a threaded takedown pin here for your bolt release. So this is actually I'm not sure what the size is, but it's a Allen wrench size here. You can go ahead and take this out. It's a threaded hole. So now when you put that bolt catch release on here, you can go ahead and thread this on rather than trying to do it with a roll pin. The other thing to note on a Aero Precision lower and on this M5 lower here is our rear takedown pin that you'll put in, but then here is the detent that will be inserted with the spring. But on the Aero Precision models here, maybe you'll be able to see it, you can see it's actually a threaded hole there. So I highly recommend picking up the Aero Precision lower parts kit because they will give you a threaded piece to then put in with this spring and detent, which makes your life a lot easier and you won't lose that piece as easily on your lower receiver. So there you have it. That does it for this video. Like I said, this is just an unboxing quick overview of it here, show you what it looks like if you're looking to pick one of these up. If you are interested, I do have a full build series either started or already uploaded to the channel on doing an M5 Aero Precision build as well as an M4. So if you're interested, go check those out and they can be helpful for you. If this was helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. Always appreciate that. If you have questions, let me know down in the comments. And until next time, have fun shooting and we'll see you soon. Thanks everybody.